Okay, good evening, everyone. Uh, Now I would like to present our paper with the title Web-based Recycle Waste Management for E-commerce. So the purpose of this paper, we try to try to save the earth, by looking our waste, and we try to recycle our waste, and based on that recycle, we try to give the some benefit or feedback to the system, and then they can use that benefit for buying something in e-commerce. And this paper as a project for our student from Information System Department, School of Information System, Bina Nusantara University, with Aska Dolika, Angel Filioni, Nabila Putri Agita, Siti Amira, and me, Harko Leslie Hendrik from Computer Science Department, Binus Graduate Program, Doctor of Computer Science, Bina Nusantara University, Jakarta. Okay, garbage is a suffer problem for Indonesian in the millennial era, especially in Jakarta, the capital city. In addition, the amount of garbage in DKI Jakarta continues to increase every day, which in the end, the garbage that is clogged in waterway will cause puddle and flood during the rainy season. So this paper discussed the development of website to involve the community in a waste recycling management system, where the community can make recycled waste an economic opportunity by sorting and collecting recyclable waste that can be transacted through these websites. So this website is built using personal home pages and use MySQL to store database table. The system built is model using a use case diagram to describe the proposed business process for recycling waste management system, and the database table model was modeled using a class diagram. As an introduction, one of the causes of flooding that occur during the rainy season in Jakarta city is the garbage thrown carelessly, so that it clogged waterway. Do not be surprised when it floods. We will see the large object accommodate and fill large and visible waterway. The pattern of our society view waterway as a cheap and efficient means of waste disposal because the water must flow to the sea estuary as the last garbage collection site before it is channeled into the sea. Therefore, waste is the biggest problem for our society, coupled with the current behavior of people who are very diligent in littering. So we need public awareness to maintain the cleanliness of surrounding environment and maintain its behavior by not littering. People behavior in littering can also be caused by a waste management system that is not friendly to the community. And besides that, it requires high cost in handling waste, the result of which are not in accordance with the costs incurred. Also, for some waste such as plastic, glass, cork, and other that are difficult to decompose by the soil. So it will cause soil pollution, which of course worsen flood condition where water cannot be absorbed by the soil directly if there is a plastic waste that block water absorption. So it is essential that we make friends with waste to overcome the problem of environmental pollution by this waste. And waste must be sorted and managed to reduce environment pollution and flooding. In addition, there is a need for public awareness to work together to solve this waste problem, which ultimately pollutes the environment and worsen flood condition during the rainy season. So it is important we learn what has been done by the organization called the Suci Foundation. So this has become the example that they did to turn the waste into gold, and this humanitarian foundation is led by a monk named Master Cheng Yen based in Hualien, Taiwan. And the Suci Indonesia website can be accessed on http www.suci.or.id. The waste is sorted and recycled by them, and the proceeds from the sale of the waste are donated to charity and the need of less fortunate people. Besides that, there is another exciting example where the doctor in Indonesia trade their patient in exchange for recycled waste such as plastic bottle, namely Dr. Gamal Abid Said. His domicile in Malang, East Java. which run the garbage insurance clinic program for underprivileged family. Besides, a doctor named Yusuf Nugraha founded the Harapan Sehat Clinic in Cianjur area, West Java, which allow his patient to pay for his services with plastic bottle waste. So starting from the problem and solution outlined above, and this fact prove how urgent the problem of plastic, glass, cork, and other waste in the world can be adequately managed and correctly. And at least the trust in the right hand is valuable that can transfer waste becomes gold so that we do not inherit the polluted earth to the next generation. In this condition, our team can pick up a lot of garbage. In this case, we created a waste recycle management system that will be implemented by creating a website that can help people get a small fee from the waste they donate. This website aims to increase environmental awareness by utilizing technology as an intermediary to reduce waste around us. Also aim to invite the Indonesian people to raise awareness of recycling their waste to preserve our earth. On this website, it is hoped that website visitor can participate, register as user, and play an essential role by donating their used and recycled waste to our website, namely by following the instructions that we have provided on the website. However, we just starting to reach the people of in TKI Jakarta City due to the limit allocation of physical waste collection, which will be recycled. So it is expected that in the future there will be one physical waste collection point in each municipality in Jakarta, making it easier for users to deposit their waste. The waste obtained from the user will then be taken to the sorting area to be rearranged in the trash to be more helpful or minimize the waste negative impact on the environment. The management of this waste recycling system will be carried out by applying the concept of reward, where every donated waste will get point or voucher that users can freely use for the benefit of donation they like, and will certainly work together with the manager of this website. In addition, this point of voucher can also be used by users to shop at existing e-commerce such as Shopee, Tokopedia, Bukadompet, and others connected to the system. So this paper, as a part of green economy research, was carried out due to the lack of public awareness in implementing the recycling concept, shown by the three different papers that those describe the unsuccessful implementation of waste management by implementing three concepts of reduce, reuse, and recycle, or can recognize 3R in 3 cities in Indonesia. Different countries, namely Kedah City, Malaysia, Gorontalo, Indonesia, and China. In Kedah, Malaysia, solid waste is handled by a lack of planning to place recycling bin, making recycling process unsystematic. In Indonesia, public awareness about recycled waste is researched using interview and observation approach as a quality research approach with use primary and secondary data. Whereas in Chinese city, recycling was unsuccessful due to the unclear building condition and implementing regulation for the 3R in handling construction waste and building demolition. So the next, this is the use case diagram of the proposed idea, where in this case, there is 5 use case activity, such as registration, fill in trash collection form, confirm user trash collection form, update user point, convert trash point into e-commerce wallet. So the first time when the user want to use the system, they should do the registration. They should enter the data such as name, birth, gender. The data will be shown in the next PPT that's shown in the class diagram. And then if they want to change their trash, so they can fill the trash collection form. So they can do in the application. And then after that, the staff will confirm the user that collect for the trash. Yeah. And then of course they will update the user point based on the point that they get when they give or donate the recycle waste. Yeah. And then of course the user can convert trash point into e-commerce wallet. So this is the class diagram of our proposed idea, where in this case we have 5 classes such as class staff, member, exchange trash, rubbish, and coin. So this is the staff that become the admin in the system. Yeah. Staff ID become primary key. There are attributes such as name, phone number, email, password. And then this is the member, yeah, that recognized as the user that using the system. They have primary key such as member ID, coin ID, name, date of birth, email, phone number, password. Yeah. And this is the transaction for the exchange trace. Yeah. So when the user do the registration, they should enter the data such as list in this class members. Yeah. And then when they want to change the trace or the rubbish with the point, so the transaction will be saved here. That will record the exchange trace ID, the member ID as foreign key, staff ID as a foreign key, and then the rubbish ID. So what kind of the rubbish? Yeah, type, weight, price, and become the coin ID quantity. And of course they have a coin. So in this case, member have relation one-to-many to exchange trace. Yeah, the exchange trace have a relation many-to-one to staff. Exchange trace has one-to-many relation with rubbish. Exchange trace has relation one-to-many to coin. Member can have relation one-to-many to class coin. So this is the user interface for the application. So if you look at the top of this UI, this is the first of user interface that show that there is some options such as home, about, exchange trace, sign up, yeah? And they can check their coin, my coin. And if we click on the about, then the UI will be show, yeah, what the about the Trust. Yeah. The name of this application, we call it Trust Hero. Yeah. And sign up, this will be used for those who want to register on the system. So they can enter the data such as name, address, phone number, email, password. Yeah. So this is based on the class diagram that we have already shown as the class of members. Yeah. Next, this is other UI when the user want to exchange their trace here. So they have to, as usual, they should enter their name, address, phone number, yeah, and then where's the weight, yeah, and where's the type, yeah. So this is will be under supervised by the admin. They can look at what kinds of the real waste weight, yeah, and then what kind of the waste type, yeah, then they can enter, and then after they change input the data, they submit, and then automatically the point will be get to enter to the user accounts. Yeah, and then this is my coin. When the user click the coin, they can get what kind of the coin that they have already, based on the change of with the trust. Yeah, so they can convert to Bukadompet, Shopee Pay, Tokopedia Pay. This is connected with other e-commerce. So in this case, they can use that money for buying something in the other e-commerce. Yeah. Okay, that's all our presentation. Thank you listening our presentation. I hope you will enjoy and get some knowledge regarding with this paper. Thank you.